Hello friends, Tanya here for Spellbinders, and today is day 8 of the Spellbinders 2022 Advent Calendar. Here we are with our Advent Calendar again, and let's find door number 8. We'll open this up and find out what goodie we have for today. There have been a lot of different products. I think this is a predominantly die-based Advent calendar, and I cannot wait to see what this is. Look at that. Oh, it's a 2-piece die with some paper piercing, or excuse me, not piercing, piecing. This is going to be so much fun. We'll use this for all kinds of things. Looks like a solid background die, and then some piecing dies that you can create lots of things with. I decided to make a rainbow heart collection, so several hearts. I die cut the bases from white, and then different colors of shimmer mist or mica stain sprayed paper in a rainbow of colors. I've got a red, an orange, a yellow, a minty green, an aqua blue, and a purple. So I'm figuring out my how I'm going to line each of these up. So we'll have the little sun portion. To me, this looks like the sun rays, like the sun is just coming up, and that lower point of the heart looks like the base of the heart, or excuse me, base of a sun. So I'm going to pick one color to be that, and then the ray on the left center is going to be the same color, and then do rainbow order around each of them. So I lay each of these pieces down where I think they need to be, so I have the vision the way I want it, and then I just start adhering everything. Now, there isn't an outline on this heart that tells you exactly where to line them up. Sometimes you have an embossed line that helps you line these things up, but this one is just a matter of lining it up so that there is an even amount of white border around the pieces. We're just going to add each of these pieces with a few dabs of glue. And I found snugging them up against each other and the semi-oval round piece in the bottom was all it took. It isn't very difficult to line each of these up. Here's the last little piece on that heart. Oh, I think it turned out adorable. Look at that. I love all the shimmeriness on this also. So here are all 6 of them assembled. Tried to put them in order according to the rainbow order. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you have lots of ideas that you might like to use this with. And I hope you come back again for tomorrow's video. Until tomorrow, bye-bye.